Hello everyone. Welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. Let us discuss today the previous question paper 2025 Jan Feb. Section B, question number 3. Raghu commenced business with capital rupees 1,50,000. Bought goods from Mahesh on credit rupees 60,000. Bought furniture for cash rupees 10,000. Sold goods for cash rupees 50,000. Paid salary rupees 10,000. Prepare an accounting equation from the above transaction. In my previous video, a detailed explanation I have given on the accounting equation. If you not watched those videos, kindly watch those videos for your understanding. And let us understand, accounting equation is also called as balance sheet equation because there are two sides, left hand side, right hand side. LHS is equal to RHS. What is the formula for accounting equation? The formula is asset is equals to capital plus liabilities. That is the equation. Let us solve this question. Okay. What is the formula? Asset is equals to capital plus liabilities. This is the equation. Now, the first transaction. What is the first transaction? Raghu commenced business with capital. See, capital, when you brought a cash and invested into the business, the cash is called as the capital. Now, this affected in two ways. One, it increased the cash in the business. So it created your asset, right? Cash means what? Asset. So it created the asset. At the same time, the same cash you will call it as a capital. Your capital account is opened. What is the entry you are recording in the for invested in the business? Cash account debtor to capital account, right? So here cash and capital both are created. So what is the transaction? Commenced business. Asset is cash. It is created 1,50,000. At the same time, the capital is created 1,50,000. Liabilities you have not yet created, nothing. So same you are writing as it is. Okay. Now balance. It should get tally. Your left hand side should be equal to your right hand side. 1,50,000 is equal to 1,50,000. Okay. Now, what is the second transaction? The second transaction is bought goods from Mahesh on credit. Here, it is affected two way. One, bought goods. Goods are came into the business. So, the asset is increased. The goods are increased, right? Goods we call it as asset. Asset is increased. At the same time, we brought these goods on credit. The credit means what? It is liability. You have created the liability. The liability account is opened. Credit means you have not paid the cash immediately. Bought means purchased, right? It is a credit purchase. Credit purchase means what? You have not paid the cash immediately after the purchase. So, it is created the liability. Your creditors. Okay. So, bought goods on credit. On credit. Goods is increased, right? That is 60,000. You need to add it to the asset is equal to 1,50,000 capital, no change, and you have created liabilities, that is creditor 60,000. Now what is the total? The balance is 1 lakh 50 plus 60, 2 lakh 10,000. Here also 2 lakh 10,000. Right? Let us solve the next transaction. The next transaction is bought furniture for cash, rupees 10,000. Again, this is affected in a two way. One, furniture. Furniture means what? Asset. Asset is increased. At the same time, you brought this furniture for cash. So, your cash got reduced 10,000. It is affecting two way. Bought furniture. First plus 10,000, then minus 10,000. Why plus 10,000? Furniture came into the business and it increased the assets. That is why plus 10,000. Why minus 10,000? At the same time, you paid the cash. Cash has been reduced. That is why minus 10,000. And there is no change in the liability side. 2 lakh 10,000 only you are writing. So what is the balance? The balance is 2 lakh 10,000. 2 lakh 10,000. Okay. Yes. Next transaction. Sold goods for cash, rupees 50,000. You have sold. Sold means what? Sales, your goods got reduced. So 50,000 minus goods asset reduced minus 50,000, and at the same time you sold the goods for cash. Cash means what? Immediately you received the cash for the solds. So it increased the your cash plus 50,000. It is affecting only on the asset side. Fourth one, sold goods for cash plus 50,000. Cash received for the sales minus 50,000. Goods reduced 50,000. There is no change in the liability. Here 2 lakh 10,000. 2 lakh 10,000. Okay. Yes. Next, what is the last transaction we have? The last transaction is paid salary 10,000. This affect both the sides. Both the sides means asset side as well as capital side. It is reduces your capital. At the same time, it reduces your cash. You paid the salary. Paid salary minus 10,000 from 1 lakh 50,000 minus 10,000. No change in the liability 60,000. Now 2 lakh. Here 1 lakh 40 plus 60. See, 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Our account got tallied. The balance is equal. This is accounting equation. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.